Hello, moneymakers. What if I tell you? You can create full animated story videos with perfect lip sync, with consistent characters, without any animation skills, and completely for free using Grok AI. Sounds crazy, right? But just look at this.
I didn't know if you would come.
I almost didn't.
A year is a long time.
It felt longer to me.
In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to turn a simple story idea into fully animated scenes, where characters stay consistent across emotions, camera angles, and dialogue. And the best part? You don't need any experience. No expensive tools. Just a few AI tools and the right prompts. I'll also give you all the exact prompts and resources, so you can literally copy, paste, and start creating videos like this. But don't skip any step, because one small mistake and your results won't look this good. So now let's grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end. Alright, so to show you the complete process, let's start by generating the script using ChatGPT. For this entire process, just like always, I've prepared a Google Doc. Inside it, I've created a sample story prompt. This is just an example. You can modify it based on your own story idea. The important thing here is, whatever story you want, you need to explain it to ChatGPT in as much detail as possible. The more clearly you explain, the better result you'll get. Now, let's copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. For this demo, I'm going to generate a short story, around 1 to 2 minutes, just to show you the full process. And if you don't like the output, you can always tweak it and modify it based on your own ideas. Take your time and adjust it until you're fully satisfied with the story. Once you're happy with it, the next step is to break the story into scenes. For that, go back to the Google Doc and copy the scene breakdown prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT. It will convert your full story into scene-by-scene format, which makes it much easier to generate visuals for each part. This will give you a clear idea of what's happening in each scene, what kind of emotions are involved, and how the story is progressing. You can also modify the scenes based on your preference if you want. ChatGPT will provide details for each scene, like the setting, characters, emotions, and a short scene brief. This makes everything very clear and helps you easily move forward with creating visuals. Once you're done generating the scenes, the next step is to create character descriptions for your story. For this as well, I've already created a prompt inside my Google Doc. You just need to copy it from there. You can find the Google Doc link in all my free groups, or simply comment "doc" and I'll personally reply with the link. But wait. Before we move ahead, I have created a full course on how to succeed on YouTube with AI, and this course have everything that you need to start your YouTube journey. In my 10 years of experience, I have built several channels for me and my clients, and everything that I learned in these 10 years is shared on this course. You will also get group coaching calls every week from me directly, and a community of like-minded people whom you can network and grow your business. I'm giving away this coaching and courses at just $199 per year. You don't need to pay any monthly fees like other YouTube gurus, and also I won't sell other teaching for higher price. You pay $199 and get access of my coaching and courses for a year. The link is in the description. Now gets back to the video. Now copy the character generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This step is very important because it helps maintain character consistency across every scene. ChatGPT will then generate detailed prompts for your main characters, which you can use throughout the entire video. Now before we start generating images, let's finalize our character design first. For image generation, you can use Google AI. It's completely free and gives really good results, especially when it comes to maintaining character consistency across different images. This is very important because we want our character to look the same in every scene. Alright, now copy the character prompt and open the AI image generator. On the left side, you'll see the subject section. Click on Enter Text and paste your first character prompt there, then click on Generate. And there you go, your first character image is ready. We'll use this same character across all the scenes to maintain consistency. Now, copy the next character prompt, click on the plus icon, and generate the second character. Repeat this process for all your characters. Keep adding each one into the subject panel so you can use them later while creating your scenes. Alright, Once your character images are ready, it's time to generate images for all the scenes. For that, go to my Google Doc and copy the image prompt template, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate image prompts for each scene. Now, copy each scene's prompt one by one and paste it into Grok AI. While generating, make sure you select the correct character from the subject panel. For example, if a scene only includes Elias, then I'll select only his image before generating. Then click Generate, and as you can see on my screen, the result looks perfectly consistent with the same character across scenes. Now, for example, in Scene 3, both characters are present, so I'll select both of their images from the subject panel and then generate the image. As you can see on the screen, Grok has kept both characters' faces consistent in the generated image. In the same way, you need to generate images for all your scenes. Once you've generated all the scene images, it's time to create lip-sync videos using Grok AI. For this, go to my Google Doc and copy the video animation prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will not only generate animation prompts for each scene, but it will also provide dialogues for every scene. These dialogues will help you create accurate lip-sync animations. Now, open Grok AI. The first thing you need to do is turn off auto video generation. By default, when you upload an image, Grok may start generating a video automatically without using your prompt. We don't want that. So go to Settings, then open the Behavior section. There, you'll find an option called Enable Video Generation. Turn this option off. This way, Grok will only generate videos when you give it a proper prompt, and you'll have full control over the output. Now, upload your first scene image into Grok AI. Then copy the animation prompt along with the dialogue that ChatGPT generated, and paste it here. After that, click on Generate. And here's the result.
I didn't know if you would come.
It looks amazing, especially considering you're creating this completely for free. If you can generate scenes like this without spending any money, there's nothing better than that. Now the question is, how do you keep the voice consistent? For that, in every scene's prompt, you need to add a small instruction. Mention something like, "He speaks like," followed by the dialogue style ChatGPT provided, and "she speaks like," with her dialogue style. By doing this, the voice of both characters will stay consistent across all scenes. You can clearly see this in my final demo video, where the voices remain the same throughout. As you can see in this video, the voice is the same as in the previous two videos. So in the same way, you need to generate all the scenes along with their dialogues. Alright, once you've generated all the scenes, you can also add narration if you want to make your video more emotional and engaging. For that, you just need to use this prompt in ChatGPT. Write 12 warm, emotional one-line narrations, one for each of the 12 scenes. Label them clearly as Scene 1 narration, Scene 2 narration, Scene 12 narration. Keep each line cinematic, gentle, and child-friendly. Use simple language with emotional warmth. Each line should match the emotional progression of the story. ChatGPT will generate narration for each scene. You can take those lines and create a voiceover using 11 Labs, then add it to your video if you want. But for now, I don't need narration. So let's move to the final step, editing. Before we move ahead, let me be very clear about one thing. Everything you are seeing in this video, you can do it yourself. That is why I'm explaining the full process openly. But I also know the reality. Not everyone has the time. Not everyone wants to deal with tools, prompts, testing, and mistakes. And not everyone wants to wait months just to understand what actually works. When I started, I thought doing everything alone was the only option. I watched tutorials. I tested ideas. I failed more times than I can count. What slowed me down was not knowledge. It was execution. That is why I created my Done-for-You program. If you want, you can hire me and my team to create videos for you. We are already running 10 to 20 YouTube channels, and AI Maskman is one of them. These are real channels, real uploads, real results. Instead of you figuring everything out, we handle the work for you. We help you choose the right niche, set up your channel properly, create videos in formats that are already proven, and build a system that can scale over time. I have added a link below where you can book a free call with me. We will talk, understand your goal, and see if this makes sense for you, No pressure, no fake promises. Now let's continue with the video. Open CapCut or any editing software you prefer and import all your scene videos. Then arrange them one by one on the timeline in the correct scene order. Then, if you want, you can also add subtitles to your video. Just choose a good animated subtitle template from here, something that looks clean and engaging. This will make your video more professional and easier to watch. And that's it, guys. Now you can add filters, transitions, and any extra effects based on your own style. So this is how you can create free lip sync and character-consistent story videos using Grok AI with amazing results without spending any money. That's pretty incredible, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you didn't understand any part, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and now let's check out the demo video.
I didn't know if you would come.
I almost didn't.
A year is a long time.
It felt longer to me.
I thought you chose your dream over us.
I thought loving you meant giving up mine.
I stayed because my father needed me.
And I left because I needed to grow.
I was angry.
I was scared.
I didn't want to lose you.
I never wanted to lose us.
I didn't know how to hold on.
You don't hold love. You build it.
So what do we do now?
We choose each other again.
Even if it's slow?
Especially if it's slow.
No more running?
No more running.
I'm still here.
So am I.